ZeBirdBrain, and today we are talking about freelance work. So I've decided to make a little series of video on this subject because I get asked a lot of questions surrounding my work on Like a Daisy, Gangrams, Mystery School, and other cool freelance indie projects. So this is going to be a multi-video series, and I will try my best to keep each of them as short and sweet as possible. Some of the subjects that we will cover will be in no particular order. How do you find work, finding your first job, or making sure that you have a gig coming up next, how to put a price tag on your work, how to talk to people that wants to hire you, how do you discuss projects, how do you plan a project, how do you organize yourself to actually make sure you deliver said projects, and how to make an invoice. All these kind of things that you normally don't see much tutorials about it, because it's great to be able to paint a background or to animate a shot, but like, how do you actually organize and deliver this is another subject. So, this is going to be based on my many years of experience, and this is just, my take on it. But I really hope that these little files that I'm going to share and little tips and tricks are going to be most helpful. If you want to know more, you just have to click on the playlist that will be linked into the description below, and you will find all these videos. Also, I'm going to upload one video a week. So if all the videos are not there yet, keep coming back. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!